Hi, this is Timothy Trush, and thank you for joining me again today for one of my videos for Heart of Charleston Walking Tour. Today we're going to be talking about a very important battle in U.S. history. It was the first victory in a pitched battle against the British Navy. It actually happened a week before the Declaration of Independence was signed on June 28, 1776. And the hero of that battle is depicted behind me here is General William Moultrie. At the time, he was a colonel, and the fort he was defending was unnamed. The group of men that he was leading was a ragtag group of militia and also veterans of the French and Indian War. The fort wasn't finished. It was hastily thrown together with palmetto logs and sand, and we only had 32 cannons against the British invading force of 9 warships and over 300 cannons. They also had the best trained military in the world. Yeah, we whooped them. Because, again, this was the first decisive victory against the British Navy in American history in a pitched battle. What happened was that the palmetto logs, which at the time Colonel, then future General Moultrie, had decided to build with because of their soft and spongy nature, that tactic worked in our advantage so much that it helped us win victory against the British, because when the British cannonballs hit our fort, it absorbed the impact and they could not damage our fort as we fired back against them. By the end of the battle, the British had over 300 casualties and had lost one of their warships, which they had to scuttle to make sure that we didn't get it. So they had to destroy their own warship, which in and of itself was quite embarrassing for them. So their casualties totaled around 300, whereas ours totaled around somewhere between 10 to 15, the highest estimate being around 20. So this was again the first decisive victory against the British Navy in U.S. history. And it's why the palmetto tree is the state tree of South Carolina today. And it's why we're so proud to call ourselves the Palmetto State. Also, this is one of the many stories that you will hear on the new tour, which we're going to do, Pirates, Patriots, and Prohibition. This is only one of the stories of patriotism that you will hear during that tour. So if you enjoy this video, please go to TripAdvisor, go to Heart of Charleston Walking Tours, and check availability for Pirates, Patriots, and Prohibition. Thank you, and have a happy Carolina Day.